So when I bring our cars out to the country here, it's obviously nicer to photograph them. They look better in these surroundings. But I'm on like a limestone car park, and it's all the white stuff gets on your shoes and so on. And then of course I walk it in the car. I do put mats down occasionally, but every time you move your feet it makes a crinkling noise, and they don't look nice when you photograph the car. It just looks cheap and nasty. When I get back to the garage, we have a massive hoover, but in order to do it, just to do the mats, you've got to get the hoover out, plug it in, unravel all the cable and so on, and before you can hoover it out, and it's only kind of a little bit of a mess. So the other day, I've got a Dyson hoover at home just for quick jobs, and that's about so big. I don't know, I'm sure it costs about 150 quid or something, and it's all right, but 150 quid and it's at home. So I saw this on the internet, and it was occasionally on Amazon you get a voucher, and they'll put a voucher on anyway. It was reduced, and that bit there is ideal for things like this. These switches, there's 2 speeds on it. That's the first speed, and that's the second speed. But that's ideal for stuff like this. It's really good. Stuff where you know you can't normally get into. All these switches. Just before I take photos. But as I say, the main thing was the floor mats with my big dirty feet. So if I got some parked on an angle just to make it worse, make it hard work, Baz. So there you go. I'll keep this open. Can we see from there? Put it on the second speed. So that's it. Handy thing, and I mean, just to keep in your car, I can thoroughly recommend it. If I put that out there like so, and then that's the, oops, that's the filter in it, and give it an empty. So, really good. I'll put a link to it in the description if you want to buy one. I'm an Amazon affiliate. Nobody's paid me to review this. It's just something I've bought. And when I was looking for one, I looked at, you know, I always try and watch a video, see whether they work. And as I say, to be fair, it does. So if you buy one, it won't cost you any more, but I will make a little bit of commission. And I'm a poor car salesman, so it's good. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.